Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Flipbooklet. It's an content marketing tool and you can convert your PDF into beautiful PDF flipbook by using this Flipbooklet tool. As you can see, they are saying that you can convert PDFs into interactive PDF flipbooks in second by using this tool. And if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this tool, here you can create unlimited number of books, 50 MB maximum book size, embed on your website single or spread view, private PDFs, analytics, and you can stack additional code to remove the branding of Flipbooklet. So if you want to remove the branding, then you have to get two code from here, and one code pricing is 49 USD, and you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Flipbooklet lifetime deal, guys. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Flipbooklets and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for us. See, this is the dashboard of Flipbooklet, guys. Let me go to the dashboard. See, this is the dashboard and it's very minimal, and you can view new book. Just click here, um, then you will see all your books basically. See, this is the book that I have created, and if you want to see the preview of this book from here, let me show you. Just click here on this I button and see, this is the book basically, and as you can see, it will work like a book, just a flip book. See, simple flip book. It's, I hope you get idea, guys. Here in this way your PDF will be converted into a flip book. I hope you get idea what this tool will do for you. Now if I click here on this return to list, then you will see all your book list here basically. To create new book, just click here, create new book, and then here give the title. Let's say the title is Passivern book test, and then here you have to choose the file or PDF file. The PDF file will be maximum 50 MB, which is I think enough. PDF files are generally less than 50 MB. Let's say I will select this one randomly. I'm selecting one PDF, guys, and then here you can change the language, and here powered by this flip booklet footer or the branding. If you want to keep, then you have to enable basically, but let's say I do not want, that's why I will disable. And if you want this feature, guys, then you have to get two code from here. See, to remove the branding you have to get two code basically. I hope you get idea, guys. Now here you can change the meta title. Let's say the meta title is 17 lesson I learned after doing 10 years of business. Let's say this is the meta title, and here you can give the meta description. Let's say see, in same things will be the meta description, that's for test purpose. And then they have option for design, single or spread view. You can select spread view or single page view also. Spread view means basically, guys, two part will be of your book, and single page view means only one single page will be there. I hope you get idea. Also you can change the icon color. Let's say here I'll change to this color, and then background color you can also change. I'm not changing. And then they have privacy. You can enable PDF download feature. You can hide it from search engine also if you want. Also you can um, make it password protected. Let's say I'll give here one password. Let's say the password will be 1111111. Let's say it's a simple password, guys, just 81, and then I'll just click here create. Then it will take some time, see, uploading and generating, and it's done, guys. So it's may not take more than 1 to 2 minutes, I think, to create this flip book from your PDF, I think. I hope you get idea. See, guys, this is the flip book. I hope you can see this is the flip book. That's really amazing, guys. I hope you get idea, guys, how it will work. Now there have more feature, but the main concept is this one, that you can convert your PDF into a flip book from here. Now as you can see, here is the book. Here you will see all your book list, and here you can copy the URL. Let's say I will copy the URL, and then I will open it in an incognito window. Let's say I will open it. See, it's asking for the password to me. Let's say I'll give the password 1111111, and then I'll just submit. See guys, this is the flipbook, and then people can use it in this way. You can share it to other people, and then this type of flipbook they will get. And see, there have the page number. There they can zoom in, they can zoom out. Also there have autoplay, that means automatically the book will be flipped. And then there have search option, then there have bookmark option, then they can see all the pages. If I click here, then they will see all the pages here basically. And then they have option for volume, and then this is basically toggle full screen. They can toggle the full screen. I hope you get idea. And the next feature that I want to show you guys, here have uh, copy windowed embed code. So you can embed it basically. Let's say you want to embed one specific book to your website. You can do it. Just click here, and then it will give you one code, and you can embed this code on your website. After that, they have full screen embed code. So two types of embed code are available. And the first one was windowed embed code, and the second one is full screen embed code. And then here you can see the preview from this I button, and then they have analytics. If I go to this analytics section, then let's see how broad the analytics are. See, here you will see last 14 days view, total book view you will see all time, and total unique book view all time you will see. And then you will get idea first 5 book views over time. So lots of types of analytics are available here guys. I hope you get idea. In this way you will also get the analytics of your book view from here. And then if you want to edit it, then you can edit it just by clicking on this edit button, and you can delete it. I hope you get idea. This is the complete overview of this Flipbooklets tool. And if you think you need one tool by which you can convert your PDF into Flipbook within 1 to 2 minutes, then you can get this Flipbooklets lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Flipbooklets lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think guys this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.